How to connect base Subnautica. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to build and connect your first base in Subnautica step by step and super simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the Habitat Builder. First, you need the Habitat Builder. You will find the blueprint in your life pod. To craft it, you will need a computer chip, a battery, and a wiring kit. Once you've built it at the fabricator, equip it and you're ready to build. Step 2. Place a foundation. Foundations are optional but help a lot. They provide a flat base and increase your structure's integrity. Build one using 2 titanium and 2 lead. Step 3. Connect base modules. Now, let's connect some base pieces. Use the Builder tool to place corridors, room, or vertical connectors. As long as you attach one to another, they snap together automatically. No extra straps needed. Step 4. Add a hatch. To enter the base, you will need a hatch. Choose any wall and place the hatch with 1 titanium and 1 glass. This gives you access to your base. Step 5. Add power. Without power, your base won't have oxygen. Use solar panels for shallow waters. They need copper, titanium, and quartz. Place them on the top of your base or nearby. Once powered, you will have air inside. Step 6. Reinforce if needed. If your base gets too big, it might flood. Add reinforcement panels to strengthen them. You will find this option in the Habitat Builder tool. Step 7. Decorate and expand. Now it's all yours. Add lockers, a fabricator, beds, whatever you need. You can expand your base anytime by connecting more modules the same way. And that's it. A simple guide on how to build and connect your base in Subnautica. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.